Hello, I'm CJ Park with Case IH, here today to talk to you about pre-season maintenance on your row markers if your planter is equipped with them. One of the first things I would like to point out to you is please refer to your operator's manual to find the correct lube points on where your markers need to be lubed, and make sure to grease them and lube them properly according to the operator's manual. The other thing you should check on your row markers is the shear bolt. Depending on your planter model, the shear bolt may be located in different positions. On this 2140, it is right over here. The other thing, if this is the first season for your planter, check the angle of your disc on your marker arm to make sure it's at a sufficient enough angle to leave a decent mark so you'll be able to view it from the tractor cab. For more information on row markers on your Case IH planter, refer to your operator's manual or visit your local Case IH dealer.